Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning website with a full-screen video background using Webflow 2018. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give your website that modern, eye-catching look that grabs attention as soon as someone lands on your page. Whether you're creating a portfolio, a landing page, or just want to experiment with visual effects, this technique is super versatile and easy to follow. Let's get started. First up, we need to add a section to our canvas in Webflow. Think of a section as a big container that holds different pieces of your website, sort of like how a room holds different pieces of furniture. So head over to the left toolbar and drag in a section. It'll automatically drop onto your page, and now let's give it a clear name that makes sense. Let's call this section Viewport. Nomming things as you go is always a good habit, especially as your project gets bigger, because it's much easier to keep track of all your elements. Now we want this section to fill the entire height of the browser window, no matter what device or screen size. That's where 100 VH comes in. VH stands for viewport height, and 100 VH means it will take up exactly 100% of the visible area from the very top to the very bottom of the browser. Go to the size or layout options on the right panel, and where it says height, type in 100 VH. This is super important because it ensures our video background covers the whole screen, giving us that dramatic, immersive look. Next, we're going to add the video itself. Go back to the Add panel and search for the background video element. Just drag it into the section we just created. Right now, it might not fill the whole screen yet, so let's adjust it. With the background video selected, set its size to also be 100 VH in height, just like we did with our section. This is a little bit like fitting a puzzle piece. We want our video element to match perfectly with its container, so there's no ugly gap or scroll bar. At this point, you'll need a video that you want to use as your background. I actually grabbed one from Pixabay.com, which is an awesome free resource if you're looking for stock footage. One super important thing to note, Webflow only allows video files up to 30 megabytes, so if your video is huge, you'll need to compress it first. There are lots of free tools online that can help you do this. Don't worry, you won't lose too much quality. Once your video file is ready, click straight on the background video element. You'll see an option to upload your video. Go ahead, drag your file in and give it a few seconds to process. Sometimes larger files can take a little longer, but just be patient here. After it's uploaded, hit Choose Video, and Webflow will automatically set it as the background. And that's really all there is to it. You've just created a full-screen video background in Webflow 2018. Now your site looks dynamic and visually engaging, and you can keep building from here. Maybe add some text or buttons on top of the video to encourage visitors to explore further. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and drop any questions you have in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more tips and Webflow tricks, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.